Okay, dear students, see the seventh question now in exercise 1.4. Okay, exercise 1.4. You see, is star defined on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by A star B is equal to LCM of A and B, a binary function to justify. Okay, in earlier classes also we have seen, see, like this limited number of elements comes automatically. For becoming binary operation, normal mathematical operations are not going to become binary operation. Why? Because see, 5 into 5, 25 will come, but 25 is not there. That is why that is not a binary operation. That means binary operation means function. That is not a function. See, result will come, but output codomain will not be there. From input only it will be there. Here what will be the input? A cross A. If we take this as set A, then A cross A to A will be the answer or result. But in codomain also same. That is the peculiarity of this function, binary function. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5, 5 set may be there. 2, 3, 1, 1 like that. But here up to 5 only will be there. That means 5 into 5, 25, even 2 into 3 also. If multiplication comes also, 2 into 3, 6. 6 is not there. That is why that is not binary operation. For that, what we have done earlier, for limited number of elements, we have seen min and max. After min and max we have seen. Min and max only we have seen until now. For limited number of elements, if any set having. For binary operation I am talking. For natural numbers, complete natural number set, pure rational numbers or real numbers, whatever it may be. For that it is okay. Why? Because see, infinite numbers will be there, then that will be binary operation. Here we see practically what will happen. Okay. See, is star defined on the set means, let us take set A. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This we have taken as A. Why? Because we want to write the operation. Comma, binary operation, colon, A cross A to A. This is very important, this notation. Okay. We have taken this set as A, and A cross A to A is the formation. See, here domain is A cross A, codomain is A. Whatever you are doing operation here, that operation should belongs to codomain also. If not belongs to, then in domain the function will be, the element will be left, and that is not going to be called as a function. Here function is what? Binary operation. Okay. Now you write again, A star B is equal to LCM of A and B. Okay. Now we know very well, even 2, 3 also. See here, A cross A means 1 by 1 is there, 1, 2 is there, all okay, 2, 1 also okay, 2, 2 also okay. But what about 2, 3? See, several things are there, up to 5, 5 are there here. But what about 2, 3 here? 2, 3 LCM is how much? 2, 3 LCM is 6. Is it correct or not? Okay, 2, 3 LCM is 6. But whether 6 is available here? Not available. Then this is not a binary operation. Why? Because in codomain, in domain, here 2, 3 will be left. Here only 5 will be there. Okay. 2, 3, don't find anything, any element. Then here, if any element left here means that is not a function, that is only relation. But binary function, binary operation is a function. You understand, na? You write the same thing. What you are writing, you see, LCM of 2 and 3 etc. elements does not find image in codomain. Therefore, this is not binary operation. in bracket function. See, it may be relation but not a function. Okay. First you have to write these things. Let A is equal to A cross A to A. Why? Because by this only you can understand A star B is equal to LCM of A and B. LCM of 2 and 3 etc. elements does not find image in codomain. Therefore, this is not binary operation. That means this is not a function. Let us go for 8th question. See the 8th question. Let star be binary operation on n. That means natural number. Here n means n cross n to n. Binary operation will be there. Okay. Defined by A star B is equal to HCF of A and B. See, A and B HCF. Normally A and B HCF, how much will come? Less number only will come. That means it will not go beyond those two numbers. Less. Okay. That you have to keep in your mind. LCM, it goes beyond. 2, 3 LCM is 6. But 2, 3 HCF is 1. Okay. 2, 4 HCF is 2. That means less number only will come for HCF. For LCM, more number will come. That you have to keep in your mind. Is star commutative? Is star associative? Does there exist identity for this binary operation on n? These 3 questions are there. We tackle one by one. Okay. Before that, let us write the operation symbols and all. Okay. Now, operation is on n. That means binary operation n cross n to n. Okay. This operation on like this. Okay. Format. We can say this is format but not original operation. What is original operation? Original operation is this one. A cross B comma A star B is equal to HCF of A and B. That means the highest common factor is the binary operation here. Okay. Until now, okay. But now you see, is star commutative? For this, what you have to do, see, with ABC only we cannot prove this, commutative or not. We have to take randomly 2, 3 numbers. 3 numbers we take. Why? Because afterwards associative is also there. Randomly we take 3 numbers and we prove with that example. Then we came to know that whether this is commutative, associative or not. Let us see commutative, associative. Then finally we go for this third part also. Okay. Let A is equal to say natural number. You take A rather than 1. 1 means multiplication or that will come easily. You take say A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 8. Okay. Like that I have taken. A, B, C I have taken. See, all belongs to you, or you can write comma A comma B comma C belongs to n. Why? Because see, operation on n only, but limited number of numbers are there. A cross A, n cross n to n. Okay. Now we understand that one. Okay. Now you see commutative. For commutative, let us see for commutative first. For commutative, comma A star B should equal to B star A. Okay. Then that will be commutative. Now, before doing the problem also we came to know that HCF between 2 numbers will be AB or BA, both are same. That is why this is commutative. Even then practically we write A star B LHS. A star B is equal to 3 star 4. What will be the 3 star 4 HCF? 1 only will come. Okay, HCF is 1. LCM may be higher. 3, 4, 12 LCM, but HCF is 1 only. Highest common factor. Then RHS is equal to B star A. B star A means 4 star 3. See, 3 star 4, 4 star 3 for LCM, HCF both are same. That means you have to write 1 only. Then A star B is equal to B star A. Why? Because 1 1 has come. Therefore, commutative. Okay. Now we finished this first part. Let us go for second part also. Second part is associative. For associative, right? For associative. For associative, comma. See, for associative, A star B star C should equal to A star B star C. Okay. Now you write this one. LHS RHS separately you take. LHS is equal to A star B star C is equal to, first you write these numbers, 3 star 4 star 8 is equal to 3 star 4 we know 1 star n. See, with 1 any number comes means HCF 1 only will come. Okay, 1 into 8 8 0. When 0 comes, this divisor is HCF. Okay. Now you go for RHS also. RHS. A star B star C, that is equal to 3 star 4 star 8. Okay. 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 You see now. 4 star 8 is how much? HCF 4 only. Why? Because you see 4 normally 4 2s are 8. That means 0. If 0 comes, this will be the HCF. 3 star 4 means 3 star. This is 4. 4. Now you come for 4. 3 star 4 how much? 1 only. Why? Because see 4 is there, 3 is there, 3 1s are 3, 1 will come again. 1 3s are 3, 0, then 1 will be the HCF. Now you write what you are writing. This A star B is equal to, that one you have to write and you have to show that this is associative. Okay. A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Full stop. Therefore associative. Therefore we have already written associative. Okay. This function has become commutative, associative both. Normally LCM, HCF and all, they are going to become commutative and associative. Okay. Now we go for third part. I am going to rub this, then we go for third part. Okay, now you see, what is the third part of this question? Does there exist identity for this binary operation on n? Yeah, binary operation. See, some critically how to think here, how identity operates on function. Identity operates on function. See, we have studied identity, multiplicative identity and additive identity. Okay. And in general, if you write that formula or property or whatever it may be statement, it will be like this. A star E is equal to A. That is equal to E star A. Here, if you keep plus, A plus E is equal to A has to come. E plus A is equal to A has to come. Okay. If you keep multiplication here, into A into E is equal to A, E into A is equal to A has to come. See, for addition, 0 will be there, A plus 0, A will come, 0 plus A will come for addition. For multiplication, 1 will be there, E. A into 1, A, 1 into A. Okay, that too we have studied in earlier class, earlier video. Here, identity he is asking means he is asking E. You keep in our mind. He is asking E is equal to how much? Identity. See, not how much, whether it is existing or not, like he is asking. Does there exist identity for this binary operation of n? Okay. Now here you simply cannot keep that identity because this is HCF. That means what you have to write? You have to write like this. See, A cross A star means star is here. What is star? Star is HCF. Okay. That means HCF of A and E should give A. HCF of E and A should give A. E and A or A and A should give A. See, which number will give like that HCF? That should be identity. See, E once you have taken means for not only for one number, for every number it has to satisfy that property. What I am telling you, see now. A plus E is equal to A, that is equal to E plus A you have taken for n, natural number. Okay. Now I take here 2 plus 0, that is equal to 2, that is equal to 0 plus 2. Okay. Even if we take here 10 also, 10 plus 0, 10 will come, that is equal to 0 plus 10, 10 will come. That means here identity 0 applicable for any number in that n. Okay, same thing if you give for multiplication also, A into E is equal to A, that is equal to E into A. Here also if you observe, same, 2 into 1 is equal to 2 will come 1 into 2. That means you have not point, this is multiplication. Okay. Okay. Now if you take 10 also, 10 into 1 is equal to 10, that is equal to 1 into 10. Once you have taken one identity, that identity should satisfy for every number. Okay, now you come here. HCF of A and E is equal to A. When it will come? 1 if you take 1 and 1 is going to give 1. Okay, I understand 1 and 1 it has given. But in between 1 and 1, 1 is E and 1 is A. Now we go for 3 and 1. Okay, here how much it will give? 1 it will give. Okay, see here A is coming, not coming. Why? Because here A has been changed. But A has to come, na? For identity, A has to come. A has to come. But A is not coming here. Okay? If you take this as A, then only one number is there. That's all. But E should not be changed, na? E should be constant. See, E0 means every number 0. E1 means for every number 1. Like that, for every number, any identity is there. For HCF, there is no identity. Okay? Now we write same thing. Okay, what we write, you see, does there exist identity for this binary operation? Means there is no identity for HCF operation. Okay, there is no identity for HCF operation. Like this you write and close this question. Let us go for 9th question. Okay, see the 9th question. Let star be a binary operation on the set Q of rational numbers. Q means rational number, quotient, P by Q form, as follows. That means these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions they have given, sub questions. Find which are commutative and which are associative. We see commutative and associative of this each subparts. Okay. See, we came to know that this is a quotient. That means rational numbers. Let us write first that rational number symbol. Okay, here binary operation star colon rational number to rational number, product to product. This one. Okay. Now A star B. This is original operation. A minus B. Now we came to know that A minus B is not commutative. A minus B is not associative. Already we have seen for natural numbers. Even for rational numbers also it will be same. Okay. Rational numbers also it will be same. Let us write that one. Okay. Now here you cannot take any ABC numbers. Okay, that will going to become cumbersome. Rather than that, we directly do this ABC only, like that only. Okay. Okay. See, for commutative, first you write for commutative. Okay. Why? Because he asking for it commutative and associative, have to check. For commutative, comma, A star B should become B star A. If that becomes okay, then this is commutative, like we can declare. Let us see LHS. LHS is equal to A star B is equal to A minus B, comma, RHS is equal to B star A is equal to B minus A. You see, A star B is already given. B star A, first A comes A, B, B minus. B, B, A minus. Like that you have to take B minus A. Now you tell me A minus B equal to B minus A. No. A plus B is equal to B plus A. That is okay. But A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Same thing you write. A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Therefore, not commutative. Okay? Therefore, not commutative. Now you go for associative also. For associative. For associative, A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Okay? This has to satisfy. Then this is associative. Normally we know that this is not associative, but we do the answer. LHS is equal to A star B star C, that is equal to A star B, how much? A minus B. A minus B star C. Okay. Now this entire A minus B is A. Okay. A B A minus B, A minus B C. Okay. That means A minus B minus C. A minus B minus C. Okay. You put one underline. This is LHS like. RHS also we will see. RHS is equal to, now RHS is A star B star C. Okay. Now entire this, now first you write A star. B star C how much? B star C. Now B star C like A star B. First A B B C minus. Okay. Like that you have to write. Now this entire the thing is like B A star B A minus this entire thing B minus C. But ultimately see A minus B, but this minus is going to become plus C. You see now both A minus B, both are equal? Not equal. Same thing you write. A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B plus C. Okay, here minus is there, here plus is there. A minus B okay, but what about C? C is not equal. Therefore, not associative. Okay, like this you have to write. Now we have finished this first part of this 9th question. We'll go for second part also. Okay, see, A star B is equal to A square plus B square. This is second part of your 9th question. This also we will see. What we have to see? We have to see commutative and associative is there or not. Okay? Okay. Okay. Let us write for commutative. For commutative, comma, A star B is equal to B star A, it should become. Okay? Then this will be commutative. Write LHS. LHS is equal to A star B is equal to A square plus B square, comma. RHS is equal to B star A is equal to B square plus A square. Is it correct? You see, A star B means A square plus B square plus B star A means B square plus A square. But when plus is there, that means when addition is there, then both are same. A square plus B square is equal to B square plus A square. A square plus B square is equal to B square plus A square, therefore commutative. Okay, commutative. Now commutative over. Now we see associative also. For associative, associative what will be? Property A star B star C should equal to A star B star C. Okay, this has to come. Let us take LHS. LHS is equal to A star B star C. Okay, that is equal to A star B. How much? A square plus B square. A square plus B square star C. Now you stop and see, analyze. This entire thing is going to become A. This is going to become B. Okay, A square. Now this A square. A square plus B square whole square plus C square. Why? Because B square, here B, here C means C square. Okay, this will be LHS, your LHS. A square plus B square whole square plus C square. Now we go for RHS also. RHS what will come? Don't expand, let it be like this only. If required, we will expand. Okay, RHS is equal to A star B star C. Okay, A star will be like this only. B star C means what? B C. B square plus C square. B square plus C square, but put under parenthesis. Okay. Now this entire B square plus C square is going to become B. A star B. A square will be like this only. A square first one plus B square means here entire this thing square. That means B square plus C square, this entire thing to be square. Now you see, if we compare here, C only one square is there, but here C one square and square. C power 4 will come. Okay, that one. Another one. Here C only square is there, but here A square 4 will come. That is why both are not equal, not associative. Okay, write like this. A square plus B square whole square plus C square is not equal to A square plus B square plus C square whole square. Therefore, not associative. You see, it may be commutative but not associative. Okay, that you have to keep in your mind. Plus comes means commutative may be there, but associative will not be there for every operation. For a normal A plus B plus C, it may be commutative and associative also. Okay, that depends on the question. What we are going to do, what number we have taken, what is the operation and all. Okay, until we do, we don't know. Now we finished your second part of this 9th question. Let us go for 9th part. Okay, see your third part of this 9th question. A star B is equal to A plus AB. We have to see that whether it is commutative or not and associative. Okay, let us go for commutative first. For commutative, comma, A star B is equal to B star A. Okay? Okay, now write. A star B how much? A star B, LHS, you take LHS is equal to A star B is equal to A plus AB, comma, RHS. RHS is equal to B star A. That is equal to, now you stop and see. Here A first has come. Here B has to come first. Then plus. Now AB. That means BA has to come. Okay. See, for multiplication, AB or BA both are same. But here B is there, here A is there. You understand, na? Therefore, this is not commutative. Same thing we write. You write like this. A plus AB is not equal to B plus BA. Okay, not equal. Therefore, not commutative. Okay, you understand, na? We need not take ABC numbers, rational numbers and all. It is going to become cumbersome. With simple ABC only we can show. Okay. Okay. Now let us write next one for associative. For associative, comma, A star B star C should equal to A star B star C. Okay, this you have to finish. Okay, now you write LHS. A star B star C is equal to A star B. How much it has come? A star B has come A plus AB. A plus AB star C. C, same thing, C will come. You see here A star B, okay. But now in between two means this is going to become A, this is going to become B. Okay, then first you write A completely. A, that is equal to A means A plus AB. Okay, plus outside plus AB. AB means now this is A, this is B. Multiplication how to do. That means A plus AB into C. Okay, like this you have to write. But we have to expand it. A plus AB plus AC plus ABC. Okay, now you marks are underline it. Okay, now let us go for RHS also. RHS also. A plus AB plus A plus AB C. Yes, that is correct only. AC plus ABC. Now RHS. RHS is equal to A star B star C. A star will be like this only, but B star C, how much it will come? B first you have to come plus BC. AB means BC. Okay. Again now you see. Now it has become B and A. A. Okay. Plus AB. That means A into B plus BC. That you have to keep in your mind. Okay, now write, expand it. A plus AB plus ABC. Okay, now you underline this. A plus AB plus ABC you underline. Now you see A plus AB plus AC plus ABC. Here AC is extra. Here AC is not there. That is why both are not equal. You write same thing. A plus AB plus AC plus ABC is not equal to A plus AB plus ABC. Therefore, not associative. Okay? Okay. Now, we go for fourth part of this ninth question. Okay, see the fourth part. A star B is equal to A minus B whole square. We have to see whether this is commutative, associative or not. Okay, let us write. A star B is equal to A minus B whole square. For commutative, comma, A star B should equal to B star A. Okay. Okay. Okay, A star B is equal to how much? See, LHS we have to write. LHS, RHS separately you have to write. LHS is equal to A star B is equal to A minus B whole square, comma, B star A. B star A is RHS. You have to write RHS also. Write RHS. RHS is equal to B star A is equal to B minus A whole square. Okay? Okay. Now, both are equal. How you know? Equal only. Why? Because see, 3 minus 5 minus 2 square 4. 5 minus 3 2. 2 square 4. Both are same. Even you expand. Like this you write. A square plus B square minus 2AB. Here. Okay. And here also B square plus A square minus 2BA. Okay. You see A square is the A square, B square is the B square, 2AB, 2AB minus, yes, both are same. Therefore, commutative. Okay, see, even though you make a minus b or b minus a, when you square, both are going to become equal. That you have to keep in your mind. Let us go for associative. For associative, what will be associative? A star b star c should equal to a star b star c. Okay, this should be equal. Then that is going to become associative, like we can write. Okay, first let us take LHS. LHS is equal to a star b star c, that is equal to a star b, how much? A minus b whole square. A minus b whole square star c. Now stop and wait. See here. See, a star b have written easily. Why? Because he has given. Now a star b has become, and this is a. Okay, then a minus b whole square. That means this is a. A minus b whole square is a minus b whole square. This you have to write. Or else you are going to do mistake. Okay, let it be like that only. If required, we expand, or else we did not expand. Let us go for RHS also. RHS is equal to A star B star C. A star will be like this only. B star C means what? B minus C whole square. B minus C whole square. Now stop and see here what is going to happen. You see, this is A, but this is B. Entire this B minus C whole square is B. A minus B whole square. That means first you write A minus B. B means entire this thing you have to write. B minus C whole square. This is B. Whole square. Entire the thing square. That means like this you have to write. Okay. Now you analyze first. RHS, LHS. Both are square, okay. But you see here, even if you remove square, here minus b will be there, here a will be there, here a square will be there, but here b square will be there, here b will be there. B square, b to the power of 4 will come, but here b, another b is there, square. That b is not available. Okay. You can say that this is not equal or not associative. Okay, write same thing. A minus b square minus b whole square is not equal to a minus b minus c square whole square. Therefore, not associative. Okay, not associative. We go for fifth part of this question. Okay, see the fifth part. A star b is equal to ab by 4. Okay, now we have to see whether it is commutative, associative or not. Okay, let us write first for commutative. For commutative, comma, A star B should equal to B star A. If it is there, then this is commutative. Okay, now you write LHS. LHS is equal to A star B is equal to AB by 4. Okay, AB by 4. RHS B star A is equal to now BA by 4. Okay, now you tell me whether both are equal or not. Equal, because A plus B by 4, A minus A into B by 4 is equal to B plus B by 4. For plus, for multiplication, AB by 4 and BA by 4 both are same. Okay, now we can write that this is commutative. AB by 4 is equal to BA by 4, therefore commutative. Okay, now this is commutative. Now we go for associative also. Associative. For associative, comma, A star B star C should equal to A star B star C. Okay. Now it happens then this is associative. Let us see a 1 1 LHS RHS. LHS is equal to A star B star C, that is equal to A star B, how much? AB by 4. AB by 4 star C. Okay. Now this entire thing is A. A and B, like that you have to take. AB by 4. Okay. Okay, I have written first A. Then I will write B by 4. That means ABC by 16. Is it correct? Okay. Now you write RHS also. RHS is equal to A star B star C. A star like this only you keep. B star C means BC by 4. Okay, BC by 4. Now A star B, like that you have to take. That means BC by 4 is going to become B. AB by 4. A B BC by 4 by 4. That is equal to ABC by 16. Now you see both are same. Yes. Then you write associative. Here only one operation we have seen until now, commutative and associative both. Okay. Fifth one. ABC by 16 is equal to ABC by 16. Or you need not write this, directly you can write associative. Associative. Therefore associative, like that you can write. Or you write same this, A star B star C is equal to A star B star C, that is by associative. Now we go for sixth part. See the sixth part in the ninth question. A star B is equal to AB square. Like that he has given. Now we have to see that whether this is commutative, associative or not. Okay. Let us see first commutative. For commutative, okay, A star B should become B star A. Then this is commutative. Now you write LHS. LHS is equal to A star B. Okay, AB square. Comma RHS is equal to B star A. Now A star B means AB square. B star A means BA square. BA square. Now you tell me AB square is going to become equal to BA square? Not. Okay, you write non-commutative. AB square is not equal to BA square, therefore not commutative. Okay? Okay. Now you write associative also. For associative, A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Okay, like this you write A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Okay. LHS you take. LHS A star B star C is equal to A star B means AB square star C. Okay. Now you see this entire AB square is A B square. That means here AB square is A, B square means C square. This you underline. AB square C square you underline. Now you go for RHS also. RHS is equal to A star B star C. Okay. Now A star will be like this only. B star C means what again? BC square. BC square. Okay. B star C is BC square. Now you see here A and B. This entire BC square is B. A, first you write A. Okay. B square means this one. B square C to the power of 4. Why? Because BC square whole square means B square C to the power of 4 will come. Okay, now you compare A, B square, okay, but this one is C to the power of 4, this one is C square. Okay, now not equal, not associative, same thing you write. AB square C square is not equal to AB square C to the power of 4. Therefore, not associative. Okay. Okay. Now with this we have finished our 9th question. In the next class we go for 10th question onwards. Let us try to finish that exercise in the next class. Okay. Thank you very much.